Whiplash-related injuries and symptoms. Whiplash is the word commonly used to describe an injury caused by a sudden and rapid hyperflexion and extension of the muscles, tendons, and ligaments of the neck. Most people associate whiplash with neck pain and headaches, but whiplash-related trauma can be more extensive and severe. Here is an overview of some of the more common whiplash-related symptoms and injuries. Traumatic brain injury. A traumatic brain injury, or TBI, is an injury to the brain that results in physical, intellectual, emotional, and social impairments. You do not have to hit your head to sustain a TBI. The severe movement of the head and neck during a whiplash causes the brain to hit the back of the skull, rebound, and hit the front of the skull. This impact can be significant enough to cause traumatic brain injury. TMJ injury. The temporomandibular joint, or TMJ, is the joint that connects the jawbone to the skull. Symptoms of a TMJ injury include popping and clicking sounds in the joint, limited range of motion, pain, headache, and noise or ringing in the ears. If you experience any of these symptoms following a whiplash injury, tell your doctor. TMJ pain following whiplash has been well documented in medical studies, but it may go unnoticed by a doctor unfamiliar with whiplash injuries. FACET joint injury. FACET joints connect the bones of the spine and allow the spine to bend and twist. The FACET joints are held together by ligaments, which can be stretched or torn in connection with a whiplash injury. Damage to the ligaments often results in pain in the head, neck, and upper back. Thoracic outlet syndrome. The thoracic outlet is the space between the first rib and the collarbone. Thoracic outlet syndrome occurs when the outlet space is pinched or compressed. Symptoms include pain, heaviness or fatigue in the affected shoulder or arm, tingling and numbness in the hand, especially the fourth and fifth fingers, swelling of the arm or hand, and cold or discolored fingers due to poor circulation. Symptoms often appear on the side of the body covered by the seatbelt shoulder strap. Low back pain. Most whiplash-related trauma to the lower back results from the fact that the pelvis is held immobilized by the seatbelt but the torso is not. Trauma to the lower back also may be the result of pressing your legs into the floor of the car, bracing for impact. Low back pain related to a whiplash injury may stem from pressure on the sciatic nerve, a fracture of the lumbar spine, or injury or trauma to the abdomen causing referred pain in the lower back. Whiplash-related injuries generally are painful and can linger for a significant period of time. If you were injured in an auto accident and sustained a whiplash injury, you may be entitled to compensation to help with your medical bills and other expenses. Contact an experienced personal injury lawyer to discuss your situation. Whiplash-related injuries and symptoms.